Hello everyone! Welcome to the Illinois College2Career tutorial. This college exploration tool helps education seekers compare college characteristics, such as tuition rates and graduates' earnings. You can find this public tool at www.ilcollege, that's C-O-L-L-E-G-E, the number 2, career, that's CAREER.com. The entire site is available in English and Spanish, which can be changed with the toggle in the top right corner. The landing page asks 3 or 4 questions to filter results that will be relevant to the user. The first question is, what type of college do you want to attend? The results will be filtered to graduates from the type of college you choose. If we pick 2-year, the site asks for the user's zip code, because tuition rates are lower at your in-district community college, and your results should reflect that. If you choose 4-year college, this question disappears. The next question asks, what are you planning to study? If you are unsure or would like to see results for all graduates regardless of major, you can leave this answer at the default, all areas of study /undecided. But if you do have an idea of what you'd like your major to be, you can select it from this list. If you're not sure which category your choice falls into, press click here for help, and a search box will open. Type your desired major into this field, and the site will suggest areas of study based on your entry. Pressing select will bring this choice over to the study question. If you are looking at 2-year colleges and choose an area of study that is not offered at your local community college, a pop-up will appear to inform you that Illinois community colleges participate in the Career Agreement, which allows students whose local community college does not offer their program to attend another community college that does, for the in-district tuition rate. Finally, the site asks, what colleges would you like to explore? If you click the drop-down, a pop-up will appear that lists all of the Illinois colleges of the type you specified who offer the major you chose. You can choose to show only the ones that you're interested in, or choose all colleges. Now we're ready to see results. You can see and change the selections you made in the bar at the top of the page. We asked to see 2-year colleges who serve zip code 60706 and offer a healthcare major. So the tool brought up a list of 48 schools that fit this criteria. By default, we are seeing the tuition and fees and student debt for all graduates from the institution, as well as earnings in Illinois and earnings growth in Illinois for graduates with our chosen major. Users can click on the gauge visual to display definitions and see how this metric compares to graduates of other schools and programs. You may see a little red flag on some visuals, indicating that the data is based on fewer than 30 individuals. This means that conclusions should be drawn with care, as small sample sizes are not ideal. When you're looking at 2-year colleges, the in-district school will always be listed first. Otherwise, the results are ordered by which schools have the most favorable results in the chosen categories. Tuition, debt, earnings, and earnings growth are the default categories, but users can click Edit Categories on the left to choose data that might be of interest to them, displaying up to 5 categories at once. For example, maybe I will be receiving financial aid and want to attend a school where this is common. If I add the financial aid category and specify a range of above 75%, The site will show schools that fit my preference higher on the results list, though our in-district school is still listed first. Or maybe I won't be receiving financial aid and don't want the site to consider student debt when ordering the results. I can remove this category and the site will again reorder the results based on the remaining columns. I can also override this multi-column consideration and sort based on a single category. To do this, click the column header of interest, then Sort By, and the results will be sorted by that column alone, save the in-district school appearing first. This left-hand panel also includes a Sort and Filter tab. The choices here allow the user to narrow the list of schools to one that fits their personal preferences. Maybe we're looking for a small or medium, two-year school that offers healthcare programs in a rural setting. The site filters the results to schools that fit this criteria and now lists only 12. If you're not sure what is meant by a small school or a rural one, the question mark buttons beside the filter offer detailed definitions. Clicking on the name of the school will bring up links to detailed information about the institution. School details, as reported on the Peterson survey, includes material on the makeup of the student body and important details about the application process. We can also call up information on graduates entering the job market, which shows the most popular industries for graduates from our chosen school and major, or graduates continuing education to see what % of students from this school and program enroll in further education within 4 years of graduating. The fourth link under the school menu will be named after our selected area of study, in this case, health professions and related programs. Where possible, this menu shows career outcome metrics on specific programs that fall under the area of study we chose. You can click on these program names to see details about typical required courses and professional certification. If you have any questions about Illinois College2Career, please email us at des.c@illinois.gov. Please see the description for links to tutorial videos of other career and college exploration tools, such as Illinois High School 2 Career. Thanks for watching.